I'm sure you've heard the news. Onions make us cry. But have you ever wondered why? Let's break it down together. When you cut into an onion, you're breaking open its cells. That releases a special chemical called syn-propanethial-S-oxide. This sneaky gas floats up and hits the water in your eyes, turning into a mild acid. Ouch! Your eyes react by making tears to flush it out. Want to cry less next time? Use a super sharp knife, as this will cause less damage to the cells and release fewer irritant compounds. Chill your onion in the fridge for about 30 minutes before cutting to reduce the amount of gas released, or cut it under running water. These tricks help keep the stinging gas away from your eyes. So now you know, onions aren't mean, they're just a little dramatic. Hit subscribe for more tasty kitchen science.